Hi, Blake from Berkeley C. Today we're going to replace the screen on a Dell Inspiron 1545. So I've already removed these little tabs that cover the screw holes here. So we've already removed those. Some of them are missing on this. Kind of the laptop's kind of beat up, so we'll just move those to uncover the screws themselves. Let's go ahead and remove those. Now, as I remove the front bezel off it, so I'm just going to take a little pry tool and just carefully go around the inside, just pop it off. This one's already loose. So once you get a little bit on the inside, you can go around the outside and just gently pry it off. You have to be careful, there's little tabs on the outside, you don't want to break them off, or it's not going to go back on properly. So you just go around. The webcam's up here, so you have to be careful of that too, you don't knock anything off there. So you just very carefully go around the outside. And sometimes you just do it with your fingers, but yeah, this one comes off pretty easily. So front bezels off. Now next, there's just two screws holding this the hinge in place. So we'll just remove those. The screen should just come forward. Now there's the one connector that connects to the back of the screen from the motherboard. So we'll just pry this one off. So you just held on by a piece of tape. You have to be careful not to damage this cable. Fix it up there. Now if that screen comes out, this is just held in by a little bracket to hold to the back. So there's 3 screws per side. So we'll just pull those off quickly. So you got a little bit of bigger screwdriver for these ones. Yeah, that's a lot better. So one side off. You can see there's the 3 screws there. We'll just pull these ones off. So notice where it's went. So this is the inverter board here built into the screen. So a big part of the bracket goes down there. So this is the damaged screen. Get rid of that. So we have our new screen from Screen Country. I'm going to put that in. So that's the big part of the board. Goes here. Tricky sometimes. Slide down. A lot easier taking them out and putting them back in. Yeah, that's a lot easier. I dropped one, but it's not really important. Two of them will hold it in, no problem.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Alright, so it's the brackets are back on. So I'll just reconnect the ribbon cable. Okay, so it goes back on the back of the rear bezel. There's these little tabs that are little plastic pieces stick out. The bracket just slides into. We'll put the two back on the bottom. They're marked with a little arrow. Okay, so let's just screws it back in. Just put the front bezel back on. It should just snap into place. So you have to be careful of these little tabs, because if you break them off, it's not going to snap in properly. You just hear the clicking sound as it snaps in. And we'll just put these 6 screws back in. And last screw. There we go. So that's finished. The screen replacement on a Dell Inspiron 1545 and a bike from Perth PC. Thank you.